Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video. Today I'm in Manchester at Gauntlet Birds of Prey. Sorry, I'm a little early, so I'll explain to you what I did. We got flights from Shannon Airport to Manchester. You can actually hear a plane passing over. Manchester is about 10-12 minutes in a taxi, and we're staying in the Cotton Spa Hotel. Absolutely beautiful, really nice hotel. That's how close we are to the airport. You can hear the planes taking off. So the hotel is really nice, guys. Loads of little extra touches for Jackson, VIP robes, things like that. Really cool, to be fair. He's loving it. So him and Christina are gone off for a swim and a spa day. And I'm going to be here for the day. The weather is going to be amazing. There's a fog down over the fields at the moment. So when this lifts, the only problem that we'll have now is probably a little bit too glary. So anyway, I'm going to enjoy this. I follow Gary Jones on social media. Absolutely fantastic photographer. So Christina has booked this for me for Christmas. I'm going to be here till about 4 o'clock. Photoing birds of prey, so I'm really excited. Working with birds of prey myself and just getting to see different species and different varieties, and to work with Gary is going to be an honour. So stay tuned, let's see what we get. Our day started with a short stroll down a country type lane at the side of the centre to open up into a beautiful lake surrounded by trees, the perfect natural environment for photography.
These really do stop the lake during the night time out in the wild. Got binocular vision so they can see far distance, but close up is really blurry. So hearing is their best sense. You can hear a heartbeat from about.
Daisy and Jake introduced each bird by telling us their story and giving us some facts about them. As it was a very bright sunny day, it gave us perfect opportunity to ramp up the shutter speeds for flight shots.
Red kite. He's coming up to 7 now, and he was one of our babies that we bred here. So his mum and dad did used to fly at other zoos. They're in their 20s now. sort of struggled the first year and a half to sort of trust anyone, and then I started working with her, and she's just the coolest little owl in the world.
I think for the most of us, this could have been the highlight of the day. A white-tailed eagle flying free with no jesses, beautiful and majestic.
I'll look the other way, okay? Yeah, Gerald wants it, doesn't he? Sweet chocolate crisps and sandwiches. So, it's coming out in 3, 2, 1. There's the chick, full thing, head to feet, on your marks, get set. Go on, can you have a round of applause as he heads off?
After the white-tailed eagle, we went into the centre to catch a show and listen to the work the guys do with wildlife rescue, public education to promote the conservation of birds of prey. Gary was always on hand, talking about composition, exposure and focus points. After the photo shoot, myself, Christina and Jackson had a quick walk around looking at all the different species of birds. What an excellent place, we really enjoyed it. That's it guys, thanks for watching. Obviously I did no talking while the guys were coming out with the birds of prey. I was working with another dozen people there, so you know I was respecting what was going on there. Definitely worth its weight in gold. I loved it here, and Gary was on hand constantly telling us about settings and what to do. Now my fingers are crossed for when I get home. I've gone through 2 SD cards. Hopefully I got some nice photos and some images for you. And if you liked the video guys, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.